Tyrone en Reisi. Dolly en Rijntje, Elvis. En Bouke. Kiki en Deutsch, Belja en Adeline. De sheep chalet. En Bouke is cleaning the sheep chalet. Hey, there's Sally. En Dolly. Elvis. Joeke. And Joeke sees someone coming. It's Cor. Bouke's dead. Reisi. Tyrone. Sally. Elvis. Rijntje en Dolly. Okay, now I want to tell you what's going on. Hello? You don't do anything. Then I do it like this. That one is making the ditches clean. It's verplicht in the Netherlands. So he's grabbing out all the dirt and water plants and I don't know in English. But earlier I made the wire over there a bit from the ditch. So the tractor can go around it. So that's perfect. At some parts I have to put the wire aside, but not a lot because I already did. a couple of weeks ago. So I'm happy with that. And that pasture is good. Uh, this pasture of the ponies is good. And next is the fillies. And maybe they can clean the ditch from one side and they don't need the other side, but I'm not for sure. I don't know if he can take it all out or not. I'm not doing that, so I don't know. Hey, Reishi. Okay, this is the pasture of the fillies. A couple of weeks ago, I already made this together with Silk, I think. Hey, there are the neighbors again. And my real neighbors. I have to go there. Boukje, Belle, Yveske en Blomke. Hey. Wat ben je aan het doen? Taaien en Rijn? Ja, maar een stokje. Oh ja, dat is Hoyt, Bouke, Adeline, Belja en Duits. En ze mogen hier net komen, want dan gaan ze hier terug. Dus we zijn maar z'n allen in het land aan het werk. Hoe cool is dat? Ik moet skiën, hè? Ja, maar skiën. Maar de hoen krijg ik, hè? En de hoenders. De hoenders. De hinders en de hoenden. Oh. Daar ben de hoenden. Daar de ponies. En daar Sally. En de oren. Oh, daar komen de skiën. Oh ja. Pete en Daisy. And they saw me changing the wire. Yay, new grass. And Glendy comes also. But not that fast.
Wat zie je een euro?
Ik doe het nou net, hè? Ik doe gewoon een ding. Nee, nee!
Boukje. En Silke. Hi Silke. Goed zo. And here is Blomke. Hey. We going to brush, Blomke. And Silke already did Bella. Hey. Bella has a lot of hair. Goed zo. And she already did Ivka. Hey. You have less hair. Goed zo, Blomke. Kom maar. Yveske. Boukje. Blomke. En Bella. Doe maar. Tada! We have a watermelon. Watermelon? Watermelon? Again. Oh no. Let's try this. Yveske en Boukje. Oh no. Blomke. Hey Bella. Blomke? Kus. Au, look at mommy hit him. Allah. Dat is wel gevaarlijk.
Wat een gezellig iets.
Ali. Ja. Bella, kom. Bella. Kom. Kom, Bella.
Ik vind het gezellig. Nee.
Nou, ik vind dat. They don't like it. I think the ponies have some extra. No. Sorry, they don't like it.
Jongens, twee.
Oh, that's so. Ponies, kom maar! Ah, Rijntje. Kom maar, Daisy. Kom maar. Ponies. Kom maar. Pete, you have to go that way. Rijntje en Dolly. Elvis, Rijssie, Tyrone en Sally. And Daisy. Kom maar. Look at this. I cleaned it. And they love it. Rocky. Hey, Rocky. Hallo. Hey.